Car number 58, your time is up. Car number 58, please put up your white flag. Car number 58, please put up your white flag. Thank you. Look out, here goes. Oh! There was some power in that car. That's the other guy was in reverse. Okay, white flag for 51. Good job, you Sharky guys. We're down to 4. Okay, we can make the last hit. This is going to be broadcast live on YouTube. I'll get the information on. JBC Dude from Vernon, Joe and his lovely wife Cindy are here. Nice to have them again. Incredible that 427 is still moving. I don't think that's an imported car. Whoa! Looking for the last 4 people. There's a red flag. Hold your horses. Shut it down, please. Okay, number 3, the Pepe Le Pew. Take that, says number 36. Lots of power in the big dog, number 36. I'm going to bet that the red dog is going to win, but we never know. Ooh! That is the last hit, but it's not over yet. Car number 69 has his white flag up. A white car now, we have a battle of the red, white, and blue. Oh, somebody's going, 427. Isn't that amazing, that big circle line? Ah, a little love tap. We gotta hit somebody, 427. Okay, what's happening over there? We think these two cars, the blue and the red, are both from Armstrong. Armstrong people, cheer on your buddies.
Car 69, you can't do that.
Can't surrender and then start fighting again, right? The game of dimension. Uh-oh, they're going to put you over the stands. You're up on a bumper there at 36. Okay, what's happening, guys? We'll give them some time, see what happens. You guys having a good time out there? Let these riders go!
I've got first place.
Don't be getting out of your car, please. Sir? Thank you very much. Okay, let's do it. What do you think? Are you guys done for? Yeah, the flag's up. Yeah. Give it a hug.
Okay, let's give them another big hand.